you can see, my hair looks a bit different today. That's because I'm doing a rokku gyaru makeup tutorial, which is highly requested. I'm just so excited because I was so anticipated to get this wig. And look at the nails today. They're from Lowful. I'm gonna do this exact makeup today. Look how adorable. And watch to the end of the video. I'm going to do like a full outfit and everything. Stay tuned for that. So let's get started. Now I already prepped my skin with cleanser. I'm going with this hydrating moisturizer. Disclaimer, I'll be linking all the products in the description because I will not be writing it in this video because I'm so lazy to type it all out. Anyways, back to the video. I think these lenses are mousse from Ivos. And what I would do is like pull my eye down. See how the difference it makes with the eyes? Ooh, fuck. I'm just gonna use my e.l.f. primer. This Carslan cushion. I really love this cushion because it actually like stays on longer and it has extra full coverage. Usually people are like, oh my god, gyarus are supposed to be tan, but then they don't even know about Shido gyarus. They exist. There's different sub-styles in gyaru. Like, I consider myself like a gyaru, but not at the same time, you know what I mean? I have texture as skin, but like, it still looks good if you think about it. And of course, makeup is gonna have texture. If you think like makeup is gonna look good in real life, then you must be stupid and your standards must be really fucking high. I just realized I got this foundation too. This foundation is from LA, girl. I kind of want to use it. I'm gonna use it much. I only use a little bit and there's like full coverage. Oh my gosh. I like pills and Percocets. Yes. It's like I'm whitewashing myself. Give that gashiku vibes. Okay, now that we're done using this LA foundation, I'm gonna go with this Novo Moisture Flawless Concealer. Got this from yesstyle. Make sure you use my yesstyle code FOKYO123. Get some discount off. I'm gonna test this out today if it's actually worth buying. Concealer on my brows too to make them light as possible. I look like a fucking ghost right now. Gyaru makeup is like the type of makeup you have to like trust the process. It might look intimidating at first to do it, but like just trust the process in the ending. My para eyebrow thing. I'm gonna make an arch. So now I'm using double eyelid tape. You can use whatever. And now I am putting concealer on the eyelids to get a base. I'm going to use Judy Doll contour palette. Also get this from yesstyle. And I'm just going to contour my nose. The highlights of my nose won't shine as bright. Last thing you want to do for your base is put powder. It doesn't matter which one, but I use the Carslan powder because I love how it just blurs everything. Now we're gonna move on to the eye makeup. It doesn't matter which eyeliner, but I use the Flower Nose black eyeliner. So now I am making a waterline and the top line to connect it. And make sure you make it look like a droop. Because that's the main thing about gyaru is the droop eyeliner. And people ask me if this is Asian fishing. No, this is not. This is only making your eyes bigger, not slanted. I'm going to do the other eye. Two of my eyes have different shapes. So I try to make it look identical as possible. Eyeliner, go up a bit. Look down to your mirror. Go across your eyelid. See how the difference it makes when I color the eyeliner up on top of my eyelid? It makes it a bit bigger. Now I am coloring the waterline. Palette from Shein, but this literally screams rokku palette. I'm gonna grab black, and what you want to do is focus inside of your lid. I'm going on top of my eyelid and just blending that out. See the difference it makes when you add eyeshadow? It makes your eyes look more bold. I used to make that mistake a lot, like putting the eyeshadow near the brow bone, and it did not look right. Focus on the eyelids only. Grab a smaller brush, like a small, focus on the waterline. So now what we're gonna do is put on the eyelashes. If you want to know how I do my lashes, watch my other video, the hime gyaru makeup tutorial. For some reason, I am applying the lashes with my hands, but I recommend using tweezers so you can get an easier application. And what I'm doing is pulling down the end of my lashes to give that a droopy effect. And what I'm doing here is drawing the inner corners, making it pointy. And I forgot to fill in this eyelid, which is a huge mistake, so I went back to fix it. I don't know, something about this palette is so good. I'm gonna use a very cool tone, the yesstyle. I would usually smile to help me outline it. Most people think it looks hideous, like it makes you look old, but in my opinion it looks so fucking cute. We're gonna go back with the Tati Beauty eyeshadow. I'm gonna grab the gray in the middle. And what you want to do is add the glitter inside of the egg yesstyle to make the eyes enhanced. In the inner corners of the eyes. It looks so fucking cute. And then using the highlighter in this palette. Now put the highlighter straight down. Oh my gosh, this look actually looks so freaking good. Now that I'm looking more into Pinterest, they really don't put blush or anything. I don't see a hint of blush. I'm just not gonna put blush today. Put eyeliner on my eyelashes. I forgot to film myself putting mascara, but I'm just adding finishing touches to my eyes. I completely forgot about the bottom lashes. This whole makeup tutorial is in bed. I'm going to go with this lashes that I also got from Shein. Now apply the bottom lashes where you drew your bottom liner at. I'm currently obsessed with this one song, When I Picture You by Sugar. That's just me stimulating as a person that's neurodivergent. Like that song just keeps playing and playing onto my head. Like it just never goes away. When I picture you. Do you picture me like I picture you? Am I in the frame from your point of view? Do you feel the same? I'm too scared to say half of the things I do when I picture you. When I picture you. Oh my god, why is this bitch not going on, bro? Then I'm just going to put contour to make myself look alive a little bit. And now we're going to do the lips. And what I'm doing here is putting concealer on the lips to make a base. Now I'm blending the concealer with my finger to set it in. I'm going to do a purplish lip color. Yeah, I think that one's perfect. Smells like yogurt. Bare Grape Roman Lip Tint. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I look so different. Now we have to look for a fit for this whole look. Look at all these clothes. I gathered my fit, and I'm also gonna add a belt. I'm going to go with this belt. I'm going with this shirt. Hand warmers, these hand lace thingies, or we call it sleeve lace. And I'm gonna add this on my wrist and these tights. Got this belt, this net leggings. Anyways, dollies, that's it for the video. I hope this was very helpful. So yeah, bye!